In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off offline mode in Google Drive, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Offline mode is incredibly useful if you want to access your Google Drive files without an internet connection, whether you're on a flight, in a remote area, or simply looking to conserve data. First, let's make sure that you're signed into your Google account and navigate to the main Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering drive.google.com in the address bar. This will bring you to the Google Drive homepage where you can view and manage all your files and folders stored in the cloud. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see an icon that resembles a gear. This is the settings icon. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your Google Drive settings. From this drop-down, go ahead and select Settings. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear. Inside this window you can find various settings that you can adjust to customize your Google Drive experience. Searching through all these options might seem daunting, but don't worry, we're looking for a specific section. Once you're in the settings menu on the left side of the pop-up window, you'll find a list of categories. Locate and select the option labeled Offline. This is the section we need to alter in order to turn offline mode on or off for Google Drive. When you select offline, you'll see a checkbox that says create, open and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets and Slides files on this device while offline. If you want to enable offline mode, ensure that this box is checked. If there are changes to apply, this may take a moment to configure as Google Drive prepares to sync your recent files with your device. On the other hand, if you wish to disable offline mode, simply uncheck this box. Disabling offline mode will mean that you'll need an internet connection to access and edit your files in Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Please remember that offline mode stores only your recent files on your device, so any files you haven't worked on lately might not be available without an internet connection. And that's it. With that last step, you now know how to manage offline mode in Google Drive. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how you access your files on the go. Keep in mind that enabling offline mode will store data locally on your device, which could use additional storage space. Be sure to manage your device's storage accordingly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.